Okay, let us begin the session. Today we'll be learning about using Canva. All of us must have used to some extent, or a few of them must be really new to it. So, for those who have used it, can you please talk about how good it is compared to other PowerPoint presentations or designing platforms? Why is Canva better than others? Any opinion?
Ma'am, I'm not used, but last time you only in the last class you told that Canva is easy to by sitting in any other place. We anybody can use the same presentation.
Right,
Many people can work on same presentation by sitting in another places also.
right.
Uh,
Yeah, exactly. So it's a
last,
cloud-based thing, but it requires
okay.
internet to do that.
uh,
Share. But offline version also you can download.
huh.
The online mode you can use to shared uh, work or collaborative work can be done only in online mode.
Okay.
Yeah. So anybody else here in the attendees, have you used Canva before? Okay, so there are many things that could be done on Canva. I will try to show you a few. It will be hands-on. I will show few things. After that, I will give you 5 minutes after each set of things to practice. Then we go ahead. We'll try to cover as many features as possible. I'm not going according to the textbook because I'm trying to cover more than that here practically. So once you attend this session, you will be confident in going ahead with Canva that is given in the textbook. So I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So I type in Google search bar as Canva. This is the icon, canva.com. The blue color round icon is the logo. We click on this. The first link, it needs our email account to log in. So this is the opening page. It will take any of our first time when you create your account, it may want to uh, sign you up using one mail ID. So mine is already linked. Okay. So you can see here, this is the opening page, dashboard, opening menu. Okay. I'll show you what to do. Now here there are many features. We have sheets also here, like Google Sheets, Excel sheets. There are different sheets here, documents also, whiteboard, PowerPoint presentation. We have an icon called presentation, and any social media apps, we can do them. Editing the photos can be done. We can shoot videos, any print material, website could be built. So all these options are available. If you click here, there will be many more. So every possible thing, you can do it. In fact, you can generate QR codes also for free of cost here for any link. So you see standard templates are available, common layout, sizes. If you want to make some worksheets for your students, practice material, everything readily available templates you get. So the more we explore, the more we can get done from Canva. Yeah, so we have a pro version from the company. There are some features which come with Canva Pro subscribed one. And there are some features which are only available for free. Okay, so let us see first how to create a presentation now. So when you log in here inside Canva, the first thing is we click on presentation, making PPT here using Canva. So it starts with some blank default template, which if we don't want, we can always choose the templates. On the left side, the templates tend to appear here. You can search to describe a template. Say if you want to choose some template regarding space theme, then some space related templates will appear here. So whatever theme you want in the search window on the left side, you can search. So a group project, I'll just choose this one. Click on this. So these are all different. This is a template. So many different slides will appear here. Okay. So here it says upgrade to use template. Looks like it is not logged in with my company's account. Okay, I'll show you the free version only now. I click on the design to go on to the templates now. So when I looks like this is not, you can see this crown icon. If there is a crown icon, that means it comes in pro paid version. So any template which does not have that crown icon is free to use. So I'll just use this one or this one which does not have crown icon mentioned like this. So I'll click on this. These are different templates available. Okay. After this, I click here, apply all 13 pages, all these slides. I click, then you can minimize this. You can see all the 13 pages will get lined up here. First, second, if I click on second page. Third, if I click here, so you can go on editing on this. Double click, change the name. You can write NASA space apps, something like this. You can always change the font, text, font size here. You can edit all the features. So when you click on any of these elements on the template, it will show you. So instead of background black, if I want to make some other background, I click here. I can choose any other background. So I chose this color. You can see this is changed. And background remover comes from paid version only. If you want to edit images, the option is available. You can do anything here. So click on this if you want to change the color of the text. Okay. I'll just click on them, select all. Just a minute. Yes. My system is slow. Something is wrong. I'm unable to do it quickly. Yeah, I select. If I want to change the color, I click on this icon. I'll make it dark blue. You can see it changes to dark blue. And if I want to add additional pictures here, which is not there in the template, then I'll go to elements, search something here. What will I do here is a spaceship. I'll check for this alien spaceship. So graphics, photos or videos, all are available. You can see anything that you can put any kind you want. If I choose graphics, so this crown image will only be applicable for premium paid version. So otherwise you can choose these. Okay, I'll choose this for example. It appears. I can drag and place it anywhere. So the colors that are here are visible here. Now if I want to change this color, this orange or yellowish color to something which can blend better, I'll click on these color palettes here and change it. I can see it got changed. Again, this color also I want to change or make it so this is how I can blend them into the theme instead of having all the contrasting colors and make it look very jazzy, clumsy, unprofessional. We can always choose the elements and change their color. So I want you to practice this. If you want text, there is a text box. You can click, choose any one of these, subheading, body. Later we can change. I've just clicked. So subheading, I can type welcome and change the font. Everything can be done here. If I want to move to the next page, then I'll click. Same things I'll keep doing. I'll keep changing everything. If I don't want this page, then I'll click on this and press delete button. This slide will be gone. Click on down here on the strip of these template slides. Click on any one and click delete button. That will be removed from your list. So I want you all to practice this. I'll give you 10 minutes. Please practice making presentations using Canva. Use elements, use text, change the colors, animate. I'll show you animation also. If you click on animate, it will ask you questions, how it should appear, whether from bottom up or from left to right. So you can click, you can see from bottom up, this is from left to right. I click on this, animations will be applied. You can say on what? On enter, on exit, what should be done? Both while entering. Okay, then apply to all pages. I can do. So animations are applied. We can see this only when we see in the presentation mode. I click on the presentation mode, present full screen. Top right corner is a present icon here. You can click present full screen and present. So it will you can see it covers your entire screen. From your arrow button or mouse click, you can move to the next slide. You can see animations are applied to all the slides. Okay, I'll give 5 to 10 minutes for you all. I want you to practice it on your phone right away. Go to Canva, create an account if it asks for login from your Gmail ID and choose presentations. As soon as you enter the opening page, choose presentations from your home and choose a template from the search window and try to build on this. If you have any doubts, please unmute yourself and ask. I'm giving 5 to 10 minutes for you to practice this. Yes, could you try this? Any doubts here? Any questions?
Yes, ma'am, tried.
Yeah, okay, great. So please keep trying as we go and feel free to ask any questions along the way. So your question may help even others in the session to understand more. Okay, so just suppose we finish doing all the slides and I'll show you a few more features in this. Say I want to add some images from my system. I don't want anything here, I'll delete. I don't want anything from the template. I'll delete everything. Suppose I want to add some image from my system. What I'll do is I'll click on uploads. We first have to upload. Okay, we click here on the cloud icon, upload, upload files, and then I will choose something from my system. Here, I will just choose some image and upload this. So you can see this. The image is being uploaded here. Once it does, we can put it here. Okay, I click on this. The image appears here. I can crop it. I can do anything on this. Okay, instead of pasting them directly, what we can do is in elements, we can also get the frames here. I'll close this. I'll click on elements, frame. I'll click on the frame. So a rectangle frame, all the frames, any frame sizes I can choose. It will look neat rather than just getting them here without frame. So suppose I will choose this frame. I'll keep the frame here and I'll put this image inside the frame. It looks better without sharp edges or doesn't look like a patchwork. It looks like it got blended into the background. So it's better to use frames to add your own images from your computer or from your own phone. This is one feature. Suppose there's one more feature. I want to say add bullet points appearing one after the other. I'll click on text. I'll click any text box here, subheading. Here I'll choose bullet points. If you see, I'll give the points here. So I'll type here first point, enter, second point, Okay, sorry. I'll do it all over again. It got deleted. I'll click on subheading. I'll pull this down. I'll click on the bullets here. First, I'll type first point, whatever it is. Enter second point, third. So you can point wise if you want to. Then we can also align this alignment. Click here and you can see left alignment, center. So I just aligned everything to left. And position also you can see. Click on position. If you don't know where the image is, then or where we are writing exactly, we feel that it is centered, but it won't be. So to avoid that confusion, say I want this image to be in the center, but I'm not sure if it is in the center position. I'll click on this image, click on position. Here I'll choose center. So it will slightly adjust itself to be in the center. Okay. Yeah. Center. And now here also position I want to click center, left, top, middle, align to page, whatever. I clicked on middle, it went up there, center. I'll pull it here, position, center. So you can position these as you want. And now if you want to animate, click on this, animate. Here you can see appear on click. If you click on this option, click to order. So order wise it will appear. How does it appear? I click any one of these options. So we have to make this active, appear on click, and in order wise first point, second point will appear. I'll show you how. I'll click on present full screen. Yeah. So now you see there are no points visible. I click from my mouse. So all these points appear. So this is how you can add animations to one by one. How it has to be shown. If you don't want all of them to appear at once when you change the screen, you have to show it one by one. First, one second. Yeah, after that, if you click here on the bottom right corner, exit full screen. It will take you back to the edit version. Yeah, this is one thing. And animation, it is 5 seconds. You can also change the timings. Apply to one page or apply to only page 12, whatever you want. You can change the seconds here, or it will change the slides accordingly. So you can try this inserting image from your mobile phone and adding animations, pulling it to the center left position here and aligning the text to center left. So you can try these now for 5 minutes. After that, I'll show you how to share with others, share it with others.
Ma'am, can we save this file in our own device?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You practice this, I'll show you how you can share in other different formats, how you can send it to others. I'll show you. Okay, I hope you tried these things as well. We'll move to the next one. I mean, next set of features in this. There are many things which we can do in this. So suppose in the next slide, I want to delete this. I want to add some. I'll click on this delete. I'll delete, click delete. So these templates are not fixed. You can always keep whatever you want and delete. So I want to put a table here in elements. I'll click on elements. I'll search as tables. You can see it is showing already tables, rectangle, something. I'll write it as table. Now we can choose the table formats. I'll choose this. You can see a table appears here. You can always change the color of the table. You can see if I click this, it will change the color. I click on this box, change the color of the table. And we can write inside this table. Serial number, details, something, whatever you come. So I can increase the font size. I can fill in all the tables, the details. So this option is also available. And any shapes you want, can always choose the shapes. Line, arrow mark, different arrow marks. So wherever you have this crown symbol, it is a paid one. Otherwise, you can use it free of cost. So click on see all. You will get many more options. So most of the nice features, they are logged into paid ones. So what happens if we use these? They will appear. But when you download this logo, watermark, Canva will be visible. So to remove those watermark, you have to get a paid subscription. So otherwise you can use the basic features which are not there. Say this one is not paid, I can use it free of cost. It does not show any watermark. Or if you want shapes, you can choose the from the shapes. So this is an arrow mark. Elbow curve, anything. You can always make it curved one and change the thickness. So made it thicker. So arrow marks are all available, different shapes you can use. Can change the width of them. Change the color. So this was about tables and different shapes that you can use in your slides. So try these features now. Different shapes and table. Go to elements, search elements, you can press table. You can search as table, and then you can search shapes or arrow mark, whatever you want, you can search in elements, it will give you. Pick them and try to work. I'll give you 5 minutes to practice this. Yeah. So assuming you have done these exercises, creating table, checking out the shapes and other things. Now I'll show you how to share this. Once you're done, on the top right corner, you can click on the share button. And then there is an option, download. A copy link also, you can share this link with others. And when they ask for access, you can give the permission. And both of you will have access to the same slides and start editing, working independently. Whatever changes the other person does, they will be reflected on your side. The changes that you do will be reflected on the other side. So many people can contribute when you share this link. Copy the link and share on WhatsApp. It is showing you all options. So download, I'll click on download. You can see file type PDF standard. Usually what it is suggested to do is that when you have decided everything, PDF gives a very standard way of presentation because the things won't move here and there once you convert them into PDF. They're very neat, they are fixated. So if you're very sure of the design and you know that is final, then I insist you present them in PDF format rather than PPT format. Okay. If you don't want any PDF format, click on the down arrow here to get the menu, drop down menu. You can choose PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint version. You can make that individual slide into a JPG. You can make that as a PNG. So, or PDF print version, PPT, or even a video moving one after the other. The slides will move a video. So whatever format you want, you can print. So here I'm just downloading the PDF format. I'll click on this. It select the pages, whether you want all the 12 pages or only current page, you can choose. I click on this drop down menu. I click all pages, then all of them will be downloaded. If I just select current page, then only current page will be downloaded. So when you say done, download, so your download starts. You can see here it is downloading. After that, you can find this in your download files. So you can see download started, it will be available in my downloads. I click here. So this is a PDF format of the PPT that I have downloaded. It looks really neat in PDF format rather than PPT. I always prefer using PDF formats once everything is frozen. So if I click on this double arrow, it will take me to presentation mode here as well. I click on presentation, the same PDF can cover complete space like in PPT. So try this option, share it, download it. I'll give you 5 minutes to explore this option. You can also copy and share the link, share it on WhatsApp with someone. Yes, were you able to use this option of share?
Yeah,
Share.
ma'am, I tried.
Okay.
Yeah, downloaded, ma'am. But you show no one option from PDF to presentation. That one is not there in my.
Maybe you can check in more.
Okay.
If you click here, there are three dots or something more. If there is a button called more, you can click and
No,
there.
not here, ma'am. Downloaded PDF I opened. No, in
Okay.
that you turn no PDF into presentation form.
Okay. Maybe your
That
PDF
one.
version is different. PDF.
Yeah, yeah. PDF version is different. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah. There will be an option if some of them will have and some needs updated version to see that.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is all about making PPT. Once you get used to it, trust me, you will not enjoy Microsoft PPT. It has so many features. It has so many things. Say you want to attach some link to it. Okay, I'll show you one example now. So I want to give our website. I'll make this bigger. I want to make this clickable link. If I click on this, it should take me to my website. Okay. So I'll change it now. I'll check our website www.dattamsh.com. I right click on this. Just I right click on this and there is an option of link here. I'll click on that. So it will ask me to put that link. So what I'll do is I'll go to internet first, copy the link of the Dattamsh website. So this is our website. I'll copy this link from the URL bar. Copy, come back here. Here I will paste the link and say done. Okay, now it is embedded here. The link is linked with this website. Not just that, say suppose with respect to this NASA, I want to click NASA's homepage. I'll go to Google search engine. I'll click on NASA website. nasa.gov. I'll copy that. On this image also I can give right click on the image, click a link and paste that link. Done. So after this in presentation mode only, you can see the link working. I click on this full screen. Now if I click on this UFO, it will take me to NASA page directly. And now if I come here, I'll click on this, the Dattamsh link. It will take me to the Dattamsh website. So like this, we can embed some links directly. From the presentation mode only, you can see the links working. Try this feature, it's important. So right click on the text or any image. There will be an option link. You can edit the link, change the link. Right click link and paste the link here, say done. And in the presentation mode, you will be able to, if you click on that particular text or image, it will take you to that website, getting out of Canva. Please try this feature. All right. So, did you try the link? Is it working? Any problem with anybody? Let me know if you have any concerns, queries. Okay, so those are the essentials for making any PPT. The more we use it, the more we understand and be able to explore this better. So Canva is a wonder tool which gets us many things. So now let us try making a flyer, invitation or something. This was presentation. So I'll click on this home icon. It will take me back to home. Something at home. Yeah, home page of Canva. This will be the opening page. I'll now use social media or any flyer. All our designs will be saved here in recent designs. Or if you want to search, you can click on projects. That means all the work that you have done. If you search from their name, you will get to know. Recent designs will be displayed on the top row, and later you will have the older ones. If you want something, you can search and find them in project section. So I'll go to home page now. I want to create a flyer. I'll click on social media. What would you like to create? A Facebook post, Instagram post, LinkedIn post, any specific size that you want, you can choose from here. Say WhatsApp status. I want to just do something. WhatsApp status. I'll click on this size. I'll start designing. Everything will be the same. You may get some templates to choose from based on what you want to design. So it opens up templates and say you want today sports day in school. Type in the search bar sports day. A template will be visible. You can choose any. It's not that only you have to go with this. If you like the design, you can change the colors. Yeah, I will just choose one random thing. I'll choose this sports day. WhatsApp status. I can change the elements here. Zooming in. If I don't want the color, I'll click here. I'll change the background color to something else. I'll make it pink instead of blue. Anything is possible. If I click on her dress, if instead of pink, I want blue here, I can make it. This is the you can change the dates and upload your school's logo elements. You can choose, click on elements, go to sports. You can also write in complete sentence like school students playing sports. If you describe completely, it will design pictures and share with you. You can see this graphics, photos, videos, anything you can choose. I'll choose this. And always remember, whenever you want to adjust the size, do not touch on the left and right side. the image quality will go down. If you want to change, use the corners, not the left and right. From the corner, you stretch it or drop it. So the image resolution does not change. Never stretch it from here. Image resolution will go down. It could be any image, not just in Canva. Don't stretch it from top, bottom, or left, right. Stretch them from the corners. I can place this here. I can use this instead of the previous image. Instead of any of, I can use this. Change anything here. So this is how we design the flyers. Rest of the features are same. You can use any design elements, put them all here and share it. When you click on share, again, you can choose in the download option. It is MP4 video now. You can make it PNG for an image, download it, and you can put this as your WhatsApp status. So themes are available, you can choose them. So to come here, we have to go to home page and choose social media option in the home page. For PPTs, we click on presentation. Here we make social media option and choose the respective size where we want to post and design them. We see that is downloaded already. I will click on this. So this image will be available for us to be shared with others on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We can upload this image. Yeah. Please try designing a flyer of your choice. I'll give you 10 minutes. Design a nice flyer. Maybe I'll ask some of you to share your screen and show, even if it is mobile. Share your screen and show me your design after 10 minutes. So it's 4:11, 4:21. I want you to have designed some flyer, basic thing on any theme that you want. After 10 minutes, you have to share your screen and show. Okay, fine. Did you all work? Can I see somebody's design?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can share your screen and show
No, ma'am,
your.
I am doing on PC, ma'am.
Yeah, please share your screen. No issues.
Can I share on WhatsApp, ma'am?
No. I want it to be seen by everybody, the participants. Here, you can just share your screen and show the design from your computer on.
Through mobile I connected, ma'am, but through in a laptop I am practicing.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, fine. No issues. Anybody else would want to show it?
Ma'am, how we can share through mobile? Means I tried in mobile,
Okay.
but how?
I'll just tell you. I'll open my mobile check and I have installed this app, Canva app. So once I finish my design, what I'll do is so on the top right corner, there is an arrow mark where it shows your battery indication. There is an arrow mark. If you
Wait.
click there on your mobile,
Huh.
top right corner, where your mobile battery indication will be there, percentage of battery. Below that,
Okay, ma'am.
there is one arrow mark and some square shape box kind of thing.
Share, huh?
Yeah, if you click there
Share. Okay, huh?
and then you get option download. Click on download. There you can choose these options. PDF, click the drop down menu, it will show you options, whether in JPG, PNG. It will be downloaded on your mobile phone.
Copy link is copy link there download. Okay.
Yeah, click on
It's
download.
downloading file. Now file is downloaded.
Yeah, you choose the format of it. By default, it will be taking as PDF. You can click on the drop down arrow mark and choose which form you want, JPG, PNG, and click on download. There will be drop down arrow mark, PDF standard suggested. Beside that, there will be some arrow mark.
Okay.
I'll share my screen and show it.
Navratri, I saved a Navratri file, ma'am.
Okay.
Then
So, yeah, this icon
share.
will be there
Click again
on your
share, ma'am.
mobile. Sorry.
So Navratri file is showing, ma'am. Matlab file is downloaded now.
Yeah.
When I click on that, it's showing a share or delete options.
Click on share.
Okay.
So
Share.
here on your mobile also this icon will be there. You won't see it as share, but this icon will be there, arrow mark and this square shape. Click on that. Then it will show you download. Click on download. Here drop down you have to click different options you will get. PNG, JPG. So image formats are PNG and JPG. Click on one and then you will see download option. Click on download.
Ma'am, when I click on share, it's showing WhatsApp, then convert to PDF, file toolkit, save you, like that showing, ma'am.
You can send it to somebody on WhatsApp and check.
Uh-huh.
When you click on download, it will be downloaded on your phone. It will simply ask you if you want to share it with somebody. So along with the link, it's a publicity thing. With the link, it gets shared with others. You can delete the link.
Uh-huh.
Only image you can send. Delete the link in the message side and send only the image.
I sent to my friend ma'am now.
Okay.
Now she is also online. That Gita.
Okay. Fine. No worries.
Just
So this is how we can design interesting things, all that we want from Canva very easily. It's
okay.
once we start using it regularly, we don't feel
Ah,
like going back to Microsoft or Google Slides or anything.
okay.
This becomes very exciting to use. And anywhere
Mm.
on your phone also, you can, when you're traveling,
I
when you're
received,
working
ma'am,
at
that
home.
message.
Yeah,
You received okay.
Thank you.
Just I tried madam that.
yeah, fine. Okay. So it's very simple. We mostly do these things. One is design flyers, invitation cards, the other one is PPT. There are various options. I'll show you how to generate a QR code. So I'll go to home section. I'll close this page. How to generate a QR code. So suppose there is a link, registration form, Google form, some link. You want that link to be given to many students or many participants. You cannot keep asking their WhatsApp numbers to share the link. In that case, what you do is you embed that link. So suppose I want to now share the Dattamsh website to some 100 participants in some event. I cannot ask all their WhatsApp number to share the link. So instead of that, what I'll do is I'll create a QR code with that link. So first I'll click on create option here. Then I'll say QR code generator. Other Instead of that, I'll just open any open some random template. WhatsApp status, anything. I'll just open a page of any template. Click on one. Customize this template. I will click on customize because I have liked that. I want to make changes. I'll click on customize that template. It will open. Now here I want to embed a QR code. I'll click on this. I'll click on elements. Here in the search elements, I'll write QR code generator. If I just write QR, it will ask QR code generator. So you can choose any one of these. URL, I have to give the URL here. The Dattamsh website, I'll give it here. I'll say generate code. So the code is here. Okay. So I can display it on the projector of my school. So all those participants, you without having the hello, yeah. Could you hear the process of QR code generation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now if you scan this, all of you tries scanning this from your phone, it will take you to the Dattamsh website. Like this, if there are many participants, you want to get a form filled, feedback form or something filled, instead of asking their parents or some people's phone numbers, you can put the link of the Google form or website wherever the registration form is, generate a QR code and display it on the projector. So everybody will scan from their phone. Their It will take them to the link. They can fill the form and submit it. So this is one interesting feature of Canva where free QR codes are generated.
Ma'am, when we click on that QR code, it displays the forms and all.
Yeah, yeah, any link. If YouTube link, if you embed, it will take you to YouTube. If you want, if you have linked Google Form
Mhm.
link, then it will go to that link.
That link we have to type in URL that you
Yeah,
shown.
URL. We have to paste that in URL. Here.
Okay.
Here, if you paste a Google Form link, if they scan the link, it will take them to Google Form. Whatever
Okay.
link you give, it will take them to that place. So this is very handy when we are organizing events, when we want many people's inputs. We cannot keep asking their phone numbers and write it in a diary, notebook. It's a headache thing.
Okay.
So this is how you can generate QR code and download this one, display on your system, or share it on WhatsApp group. They will scan and fill the form.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is another feature of Canva, which you can use every day. In Pro version, lot of other features we can get, that is generating AI generated images, AI generated text, everything we will get. Okay. So like this, you can go on exploring Canva. The more you explore, the better you will know, and you can design a lot of things that you can never do it on other platforms. So now there is one more feature I wanted to show you that was blocked for few years in India because of some legal issues. It's back now. That is recording yourself in the presentation. Go to home on the presentation. You can record yourself. Meaning a topic comes and you can from your mobile, sorry, from your laptop or mobile camera. If you speak, that will be recorded and you can talk through the slides. This feature was not there. I'll just try to show it. Design. I'll just say education theme. Yeah, I'll keep this. Oh, no, not this one. I saw that feature when we entered. There is an option to record ourselves. For almost 2 years, that feature was blocked, and they have again released it. I'm not finding where exactly I saw that, but create a new design. This is stuck. I'm unable to move ahead with this. Some option of recording. You can also build some apps here, web applications. That's in a deeper level. Wanting to show you the record feature. Can check on YouTube. These are to make video presentations.
You need to film yourself delivering your presentation, showing your presentation, and then having you on the screen as well. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to film your presentation using Canva. Okay, so first of all, when you're making your presentation in Canva, you can easily create a presentation. Let's ask for a presentation about making videos. There we go. Here's a presentation about creating videos in Canva. Just use this one, customize this template, and then you can go in and customize it and say, I want to record myself going through this presentation. I'm not going to be using somebody else's template. I suggest like actually going in and presentation, and I just needed a quick presentation. That's why I use this one. So to record yourself giving this presentation, you want to go back to the beginning slide. Yeah, here we go. And then you're going to go to share, and you're going to go to more, and you're going to go to present and record. If you don't see this in here, you can just type in present and record. So there we go. Now we're presenting and recording. So I have my camera turned off. I can put my camera on. You can see my camera is now on. I suggest adjusting your background. There we go. That's a little bit better. And then this will allow you to choose your camera. You can actually record on like your phone if you want to have this camera on the side. But for this purpose of this, I'm just going to use the camera. We're just recording this quickly to share with somebody.
So this is how we can use feature.
Then you don't need to worry about any of. So I currently have my light source just up here.
So this feature is available when we are doing the presentation. Let me just try one last time. The internet is very slow. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I will click on share and see if there is an option to record myself. Which is more options. This is not available. I just saw it somewhere when I was entering. This feature is not yet there. Anyways, okay, let's forget that. But we have an option to record ourselves. I don't know if it is officially available for us to use it. 2 years it was blocked for some legal issues. Okay, so that's all about Canva. I had to show making flyers, making presentations, different using different things. So the features are essentially the same, no matter which template you take or what you want to build. These are the main features. Design elements, text, uploads, sharing, presenting, changing the color, size, font, alignment. These things are the same. Different options we will get here. And that's pretty simple, creative. So start using Canva at your work to make it more interesting and create different flyers, invitations, all for your school by yourself. Yeah. So with that, we complete this session. If you have any doubts, queries, please feel free to ask. I saw that somebody were asking Python related question this morning. If you have that, you can please unmute yourself and share that. Let me know how I can help you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I debugged that program. But one question is there while I checked one more program that to check whether the given number is odd and even. So
Okay.
actually, I want to print like this. How can I print that? I'm not getting. Just I'll take one number, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Then when to print, I want to print like this. Given number, that whichever
Mm-hmm.
the number. For example, output I should like this. Given number 5 is odd.
Hmm.
In between, I want to print number. There I am getting error.
No, no. There, whatever message you want to give, you have to put it in double quotes. Put a
Yes,
comma.
ma'am.
And
Correct.
in between the variable name you can give, put another
Mm.
comma and continue the message with double quotes further.
But it's showing error, ma'am.
So just a minute. You have that piece of code, you can share in the chat window.
Oh, like I roam chat window, mama.
Yeah. Here in the Zoom chat window, you can share it.
That mascot I debugged, madam, myself. But this
Okay.
I am confused that given means beginning it showing. I typed two types of print into bracket num comma is odd means
Mm.
5 is odd. It shows correct, but I want the number in between the two text. Given number 5 is odd. Like this, I want to print.
I'll show you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Taking some time. Yeah, if you can share the code on the chat window, I can help you, but
I opened it, ma'am, that program, but how to?
okay, maybe I'll show you if it can help you. So there is an AI feature you can use to get any kind of output. I'll show you that.
Okay.
Then click on plus code. There is some variable a equal to 5. Okay.
Yes.
You want to print it.
Huh.
Okay, I'll do it in the end. So there is a variable a equal to 5. I want to print whatever is in a
Huh.
and with a message. I want to
Wait a
say
minute.
the given number, you can
Huh.
put it here, put a comma, then
Comma.
say a, then again
Huh.
put a comma,
Huh.
is odd. So you can see this.
Okay.
This one, if this is a message, put a comma, then it has to print whatever this variable has. Put a comma and let the message continue.
Okay.
The given number 5 is odd. Okay,
Yes.
I will change this. I'll change this to input function. It is already giving me everything. And indentation problem. Okay. Now I'll give some number 4,
Huh.
45. Enter. So the given number 45 is odd. I'll run again. I'll give 66. Enter. The given number 66 is even. This is how you have to give. The message should all be in double quotes, comma, then whatever the name of the variable, put a comma, then the message will continue in double quotes.
Ma'am, I used a plus symbol.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
that
plus.
comma you used, no, there I used a plus symbol, so I
Okay.
am
Yeah.
now
Well
it is
tried.
clear.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
This diamond toggle Gemini icon you can click and ask any question.
Huh.
I want the output to be like this.
Okay. Huh.
If you give this, it will suggest you.
Okay.
It will suggest give the code for it.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot to write give me the code. Accept. So it will give you this one. It's already there. If it is, you click on this sparkling icon always.
Okay.
Ask whatever you want, it will generate and give it for you.
Okay. I tried that largest three numbers, mascot, everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I get all the result, but only here only I stuck. Instead of comma, I used a plus symbol there
Okay.
to
Okay.
concatenate that. So it's showing error. Now it
Okay.
is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fine. Yeah. Welcome. Well tried. Yeah. Any more questions from anybody? If you have any questions related to any topic, please let me know. Your certificates we will share with you in a day or two. We will mention that specifically on Canva here. Because very few were there, you should get an edge of having attended it. So we will mention in the certificate that you underwent training of Python and Canva. All right, then if there are no questions, happy Dasara, have a great time, festivities, enjoy vacations for those who don't celebrate this one. So have a good time. We'll meet in the month of November for the remaining set of chapters. We'll finish those topics and end this academic year.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Wish you the same.
Thank you. Yeah. Good evening. Have a good evening. Bye.
Good evening.
Thank you.